Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the data pad is unlocked and slotted into your current build. This matters because unavailable pads cannot collect intel. Once equipped, verify energy is at least 50% so uploads won't fail mid-process. Next, approach the beacon or enemy robot and open the data pad menu. This is the first actionable step. Initiate the scan and watch the progress bar. Doing these steps fast prevents interruptions from enemy fire and guarantees you begin data capture without delay. You now focus on sustaining the capture. Keep line of sight on the target while using cover to reduce incoming damage, because breaks in visibility drop the data transfer. Once done, disable non-essential modules and pause offensive abilities to lower heat and cooldown conflicts that can abort the upload. Make sure to monitor both the progress bar and network indicator. If signal dips, reposition closer. These actions maximize the chance of reaching full capture, 100%, and ensure the pad records the required. You finish by verifying the upload completed and collecting the intel or rewards so nothing is left pending. This step finalizes the benefit for your team. If the capture was interrupted, note the specific error and try a quick reconnect or rescan. Knowing the failure code helps avoid repeat issues. As a last resort, swap to a backup data pad or relocate to a different beacon and repeat the process. This solves persistent connection problems and gets you back to contributing data fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.